In this video, I will show you how to save a ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you can see, I'm currently here on ChatGPT and I've just got this conversation about basically what the weather's going to be like. To go ahead and save a conversation, what you want to do is come up to the top of the conversation, hold down your left mouse button and just drag and highlight all the parts of the conversation that you want to save as a PDF. So if you want to save the whole conversation, just keep scrolling down with the left mouse button hold down. And once you've highlighted the whole conversation, what you want to do is right click onto a blank space. Then on this menu that comes up, come and select the option to print. And what you want to do is come over to the right hand side and where it says destination, give this a click and select Save as PDF. What you can then do is click onto more settings and you can further customize your options from here, but once you're happy, just come down and click Save at the bottom. Now at this point, what it's going to do is ask you to name your file. So I'm going to keep mine selected as London Weather Forecast because I think that's appropriate for this conversation. And then what you want to do is click onto Save, and just like so, that's going to save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. So that's how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.